hello, love, again to you.
Hello again.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Okay, your performance was spectacular.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. You as well. So, I have to know, how long did it take to perform? To prepare for the performance?
Actually, I started preparing for that prod, I think, last week, but then G-Force, headed by Ritz, he was preparing for it, I think, for like a month. And then they were very patient, so I'd like to thank Teacher Jorsel and G-Force for being so supportive. And of course, the preparation for the body, it took months of preparation. Ever since I did the TVC, I continued working out with my trainer, which is Mauro Lumba. I think he is here. He is the Super Bowl 2014 winner. He's been very patient as well, so shout out to my trainer.
Oh, there he is.
Time to eat, papi. So yeah, marami. So FG Force for the dance, and then Mauro to prepare my body, and also lots of activities maybe.
And also your diet.
Reward myself after this.
We all know the preparations. We've been talking about it
Yeah.
backstage. Now, Kat, you are gracing the finals 9th stage. In your own opinion, how can someone be their best you ever versions of themselves?
I think to become the best version of ourselves, it comes with growth. And ang galing because the campaign for Century Tuna, it's just so empowering to be part of a movement like this. And for me, as long as you have awareness and you have the willingness to grow every day, I think that itself, it's being the best version of yourself. And for me, I believe in the 1% habit. I don't know if you're familiar with
What
the
is the
1%
1% habit?
Like every day, you try to be a 1% better.
Ah, yes.
Oh.
I heard it on podcast,
Yeah,
actually. I
from
love
Atomic
it.
Habits. So
Yeah.
I just keep that in mind every day that you can't do anything overnight. So 1% progress, little wins, little progress, and you give yourself a few months and maybe a few years or maybe a year, and then you'll see a huge difference. But basta you have to keep in mind that it won't happen overnight. Just
Yes.
baby steps.
I think it's being patient.
No.
To be honest, I think I'm a work in progress. Not yet.
Not yet.
But I try to be better every day. But I just turned 28 and I feel like ang dami pang mangyayari, and I'm just open to change and transformation now. So I think I have the best family with me, which is Century Tuna, to support me as I become the best version of myself. So thank you to my Century Tuna family.
Great answer.
I actually love that because when we're comfortable, sometimes we become complacent. So
Yeah.
you just always want to grow, and I can see that, and I think everybody else can see that as well.
Thank you. This from the event a few months ago. It has always been a dream of mine to be a Century Tuna ambassador, and now that I'm part of the Superbot, my 2024 started with doing the campaign with them, and it was so special. And then now we're here in the finals. It took months and months of preparation, and all I can say is that I'm very, very grateful. And I also want to congratulate all the participants. They've been working so hard. Some of them, alam ko na nakausap ko but they've been preparing for months, some of them for years, just for tonight. And lahat sila, winners. You can see their dedication, and they inspire me as well. So, congratulations to all our contestants. You all look beautiful and sexy tonight. Congratulate all of them. Win or lose, I think lahat tayo uuwi dito with a learning and newfound friendships, of course, new memories, and maybe a better version of ourselves. So, thank you for allowing me to witness your journey. And ngayon pa lang, congratulations na. I'm excited to see kung sino yung magiging next Superbot. But before this day ends, thank you also for coming, again for welcoming me to the family. Thank you to our hosts, our judge. And yeah, congratulations and good luck everyone.